Hi, this is Sharon Lim. I'm an independent Stampin' Demonstrator. I blog at sharonitwithyou.blogspot.com. And today I'm showing you this lovely present technique with some new DSP called Lovely Blossoms from the January to April 2026 mini catalog. Let's get started. Card base 5.5 by 8.5, scored at 4 1/4. Layer 1, 5 1/4 by 4. Layer 2, 5 by 3 3/4. And you mark, you score 1.5 this way and 1.5 this way, and that'll show you how to line up the ribbon that you see. The DSP got 4 pieces, each 1 inch wide, a 3 1/2, 2 1/4, and 2 1 1/2, and then 2 1-inch squares. And I'll show you how to cut it diagonally, and then 4 inches of the cloud cover ribbon. It is called the faux linen ribbon. It's 3/8 wide. You can pause if you want to see the measurements. Get these out of the way. Let's go ahead and fold the card base along the score line. We'll go ahead and adhere the first layer. I like to do it in a clockwise direction, focusing on the corners so they don't pucker up. And then I'll do the same with layer 2. And the score marks that I talked about go like this in here. Do you see them? So that way, we'll start with the longest one. And that goes along this line here. It should match up pretty much there. The second longest goes right above. And then the 2 short ones will go here and here. And then for these 2 square, you just want to line them up into the track, and you never want to go straight onto the corner of it. If you've done it before, you end up smushing the corner. So you start in the middle. I'll do it again. Line it up, start in the middle, go up and down, and that's how you get them. Alright, when you're ready to put those on, it's a lot easier to do it with some glue. I'll just set this one aside to show. So this corner, it's kind of like a pinwheel. This corner. And this corner. See how it pinwheels? So just keep, as long as you stay in the same direction, you'll be fine with the 4-inch ribbon. I just did a real quick knot. It's very pliable. I really like him a lot. And then decide which side you want to show to get the glue dots. And that's it. Those are a little long. I'll probably trim them a little. now so it lays flat. Alright, you're all set. Thanks for letting me share this with you. If you do like these tutorials, please be sure to like, comment, and share. And be sure to subscribe to my channel because I have many more video tutorials such as this. Thanks and have a great day. Bye.